Are you still hungry? He's still hungry. He's gonna eat the rest of it. Nom, 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 nom. Hi kids, I'm so happy you're here today. Today, I am opening my very own restaurant. I am going to be a restaurant owner, and you guys get to try the food. I have already started planning out my menu. It's right here. How does it look? I am very proud of it. Ooh, look guys, my first customer. It's Mario. Hey Mario, how you doing Mario? Hi Uncle Cutie, I'm doing good. Are you hungry? I'm starving. Well, I have a restaurant and I have some things you can eat. We've got beef steak, we've got vanilla ice cream, we've got sunny side up egg with the bread, and we have a donut. What sounds good to you? I think I'll have the ice cream. Excellent choice, sir. Go ahead and have a seat right here and I will bring you your ice cream. Got his ice cream right here. Here you go. That thing's bigger than you, Mario. I love it. Oh my goodness, Mario, slow down. Slow down. Whoa. You finished it already. Oh my goodness, he ate it so fast. Mario, do you want anything else? No, I'm good. I have to get to work. All right, well, thank you for coming, Mario. I hope you have a wonderful day. See you later. Bye. First customer. Yes, we did it. I got my first customer. Oh, look, a second customer. Hey, Bob, how you doing? Hey, Cutie, I'm doing really good. Well, I just opened a new restaurant. Are you hungry? Oh, man, I'm super hungry. Well, here's my menu. I've got beef steak. That probably would be good for you. No, I had beef steak yesterday. Oh, okay. Well, how about a sunny side up egg with bread? Oh, that sounds great. Oh, okay. I'll cook it up right just for you. All right, here we go. All right, so let's see. I've got to pull my egg out and turn the fire on. Okay. So, how's work going, Bob? Oh, it's going good. We're building this huge bridge. Oh, okay, cool. Hey, do you like your eggs spicy? Oh, I love them spicy. Well, I've got something for you. Flip it. Flip it. Again. You didn't see that. It's okay. All right, good. And now let's take it over here. There you go, Sir Bob. I hope it's cooked to your perfection. Let's have you try it. Oh, I think he likes it. He's still eating it. Oh, whoo-wee. That was good. All right, so, Bob, you get back to work, and I'm happy to cook for you anytime. All right, I'll see you, little Keone. Second customer. A little shaky, but I think I did good in the end. Ooh, guys, I think I see my third customer. He looks really hungry. Here he comes. Oh, it's a dinosaur. Hi, Mr. Dinosaur. What would you like to eat? Here's my menu. So, Mr. Dinosaur said he wants the biggest ice cream I've ever made. All right, Mr. Dinosaur, you hold on tight. Oh, okay, just calm down. You don't have to yell. It's all right. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna make the biggest ice cream I've ever made. Let's see here. You gotta use some green first because you don't care on the flavor. So I'll put some green in here. Look at that ice cream, Mr. Dinosaur. You think you're gonna eat that? He wants it. Here he goes. He finished it. Are you still hungry? He's still hungry. He's gonna eat the rest of it. Well, Mr. Dinosaur, you have eaten all of my food. He ate everything. Well, don't forget to pay me, but I'm happy you ate all that food. We'll see you next time. Bye, Mr. Dinosaur. Oh my goodness, that dinosaur ate all of my food. I have nothing left. I guess I'm gonna have to go to the store and buy some more. Well, I hope to see you guys next episode. Remember, if you like what you saw, click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Tham gia nhiều khóa học thú vị tại Boss Kids Lên nhé!